It's important for like I said, the developing artists to tell their story often, or comment on an issue of society that they, bring awareness to mental health or to whatever they've experienced, and I think that's hip hop theatre can help them do that. So.
Remember the butterfly.
Brain doesn't care if we're happy, it just cares we're alive. What does it mean to be living? Achieving goals, making connections with friends, loved ones or enemies. Not just alive, but living, moving, acting. Emotion is motive to act out what is wrong, what's expected of us. Out of our mind makes a restless pillow and our sleep adds to the stress of this anticipation. The mind working overtime, playing and becoming. Run me like a river.
It's just fantastic really to see young people be so honest and get to share their feelings, but in a space where they knew that people would listen, and I think that's integral to being able to let young people feel they got a voice, and in this kind of art form that you can express yourself in so many different ways, like movement, voice, well, as we saw tonight, painting with movement and voice is crazy. It's really cool. Excellent.
If you put it in your heart and your entire soul, your life will be a whole, and when you're on a roll, I bet you reach that goal. Haters only hate, and that's not up for debate. It's like they always hungry and they got enough beef on their plate. So don't take offense, tell them leave your gate and take your hit to the closest freight to ship it off to meet his fate. Don't leave loose ends when it comes to your friends, cause only one or two are true to you, the others stay pretend. These days there's lots of serpents in the grass. It's like Medusa's alopecia and the snakes are talking out their ass.
I thought the dancing was really good. I thought the cypher at the end was amazing. That was just really unexpected. It was just so much fun, and it was really touching as well. Just the whole anxiety thing and suicide and sadness and resilience. These are today's issues, so it was really good to see it all expressed on through the show.